Alright, next track. You guys ever remember high school? I don't know if you guys remember high school. I don't. It's kind of old.
A blast from the past.
Like me? Did you really like me? Did you like me? Did you really like me? Did you like me? Did you really like me?
Yes, no, maybe so.
Did you like me? Did you really like me? Did you like me? Did you really like me? Did you like me? Did you really like me?
Yes, no, maybe so.
It was freshman year. I saw you through my contact mirror. You had the hat back with your bottoms up here. Class clown broke it down. Used to crack me up. Pass me notes saying Connie, what's up? You wrote your name on my notebook. Boy, you had that good look. Had a little crush, but kept it on the hush. I was your left, you were my right. We used to be so tight. We back and forth like about the things.